Yeah, so hello everyone. Hi, my name is Aditi Karke. I am 17 years old. I am currently studying in my 12th grade. I have been part of this community since June 2019. So, having witnessed 14 events of community, I now recall how it contributed to my overall growth. Pebble. Pebble is an acronym of Personal Best Leadership Experience, which we have made. So Pebble is basically the pillar of our community meets. We invite people closer to our age as a Pebble speaker to come and share their personal best leadership experience, thus inspire us to become bolder. So, as I told you, we had 14 events, 14 community meets till now, which means we had 14 illustrious examples, and today we had to recognize them. All of them who has listened to their stories unlock something or the other in each one of us. So our community members came up with a brilliant idea of documenting their stories, but our learnings from it and converting it into an ebook. So this is an official announcement of the launch of our ebook. So I request all the keynote speakers, parents, and the audience to bless us. I now request Saloni Porwal to take us through the ebook. Saloni.
So since Aditi asked us to bless, I think we can do this. We can all bless this ebook.
Awesome. Okay, so Saloni, wait. So our first speaker, Sahana Sridhar, when she did the positive,
Swarashri.
sorry. So so yeah, surname is same, like the middle name and the surname is same, so it got confused. Yeah. So
No problem, no problem.
so our first Pebble speaker, Swarashri Sridhar. So when she did the spin positivity, she taught us to look at the fear in his eyes. So our second Pebble speaker, Sahana, she taught us that age does not matter when you have to make a change. So our third Pebble speaker, Shashwat, so he taught us the importance of discipline and discipline in our routine life. Shreyas Changle, our fourth Pebble speaker. So he taught us that nothing is impossible if you just start doing it, and the time to start is now. Anika Rane. She is an example of a considerate leader who does not force one to follow them but motivates and values them. Nupur Joshi. She taught us to question stereotypes and not fall prey to myths. Arya. So she taught us that wealth of a knowledge is the supreme of all the wealths. Shubham Vannamalli. So Sir taught us that no matter how slow we move, even 1 inch of progress is still a progress. Ishan Menon. So Ishan depicts the role of delegation and motivation through his story. Vidula Bhave. So Vidula shows why we should take opportunities and make the best of them, even though they might seem risky. Vinusha. So Vinusha started her business at the age of 11. I don't remember. I don't even remember what I was doing when I was 11. But then, with her determination and passion, she is really reaching for the skies, and our best wishes. And our best wishes to her. Pranav sir. So Pranav shares his deepest grief as I don't know how he handled it and really felt and really left me thinking how does one really draw strength from deepest grief of his life. Yash. So when Yash shared about how he drew strength from his deep meditation and spiritual experiences, it actually broke a myth for me that meditation is not only for the grown-ups. Udit. So Udit's environmental sensitivity, just like Gitanjali Rao, inspired us that no age is small to have a big impact. So I would like to ask Saloni whether
Aditi, you've muted
I
your
think you're
video.
on mute. Oh,
So
okay. So where did you hear like till?
you just
Yeah,
muted
so
yourself.
Saloni can share about her
Okay.
experience. We
So
heard you till there.
yeah. Okay. So I would like
Hello,
to ask.
hello everyone. I'm Saloni Porwal. I live in Dubai and I'm a member of the Exceedables. Today I would like to share my experiences on working for Pebbles. Working on Pebbles was an truly enriching and rejuvenating experience. We got to refresh our memories of hard work and celebration that we had cherished throughout the year. When we worked on the narratives, we could understand each and everybody's story at a deeper level. Each and every one of us has put our heart and soul in delivering this bundle of joy, as we call it. All of us have worked together for the past 2 weeks from different parts of the world. I am from Dubai. Kirtana and Vanshika are from.
You got muted. Saloni, you got muted.
Sorry. I am from Dubai. Kirtana and Vanshika are from Mumbai. Niyati is from Bangalore and Rudra is from Hyderabad. We managed to connect and bond together as a part of this work. All of us hope you will enjoy reading this book as much as we enjoyed writing it.